Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You'll begin by confirming tools and assets so nothing blocks creative work. Once that's settled, open Xcode and create a new watch kit target using the face template. Make sure you import optimized PNG or SVG art at 1x, 2x, 3x and name layers consistently. Then define complications and complications families right away so you can place placeholders. After creating the target, run on a paired Apple Watch to verify layout scale before moving to behavior and data integration. Now you'll build the face UI and wire data. Design layered Swift UI views for background, hands, and overlays so elements remain independent. Once done, implement CLK complication data source methods for each complication family you support and populate timelines for smooth updates. Make sure to test animations with real timeline entries and use snapshots to avoid heavy runtime rendering. Also connect HealthKit or network providers securely and request permissions up front, because data access timing impacts what your face can show in the field. Finish by thoroughly testing on device. Verify always-on behavior, battery impact, and timekeeping accuracy across complications. Once confident, export the watch face bundle, include multi-size screenshots and privacy text, then submit via App Store Connect. If something goes wrong, start simple. Inspect asset catalogs for missing 1x/2x/3x resources, run the simulator at target scale, and review console logs for missing symbol or timeline failures. If complications don't update, confirm your timeline, reload logic, and background refresh permissions.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.